Hello everyone, I am NB from Class of Python. In this video, we are going to learn about linear search. A linear search or a sequential search is a method for finding an element within a list. It sequentially checks each element of the list until a match is found or the whole list has been searched. We have been given a list of n elements and we need to search for an element given by the user. Let's call it as key. The basic approach is go through the entire list from beginning and compare each element with key. If we find the element, return the index of the element or return -1 if we reach the end of the list. Let's say we have 5 elements in the list: 5, 42, 12, 79, 1 or 2. Given key is 79, so we need to search for 79. We start searching from the beginning and compare each element with the key. 5 not equals to 79, 42 not equals to 79, 12 is also not equals to 79. And finally, we find 79 is equals to 79 at index 3. So we will return 3 from the linear search function. Here is how you can implement linear search function in Python. You can also implement this linear search function in any other language, but logic remains same. I will link linear search implementations in different languages in the description. If you like this video, hit that like button and share with your friends. And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.